We have the Pulsar, Xlite Superglide wireless, and I actually asked them to send it to me in red. So, yeah, I seen this red in, like, I don't know, some post that they did. I was like, yo, send me that. I need that. This thing looks so good, even though it's just an EC shape. But I mean, they even got the red glass skates on this boy. Is that painted red or red plastic? I believe this is red plastic. I didn't ask them for like one of the natural customs one. I just asked them for like the actual red mice. But yeah, I think this is actually red. They even got the matching skates on this boy too. This is kind of lit. We gonna play some Halo and smack some noobs, you know. Literally just started selling the KB67 Lite. Dang, still 60 grams? Wow, I'm impressed. 59 grams with this thing, glass case. Anyways.
That board looks really clean.
Thanks, bravo.
I've always been like a big fan of like powder blue.
Yeah.
Definitely. I don't know if like you follow baseball or not, like but like the White Sox jerseys, like that powder blue. It's like my favorite color. Really cool alternate jerseys, like and it's like powder blue, like a white font.
Just warm my aim, and then me and Duke can hop in the game.
Killing spree.
Do you have GTA?
I know I have it. Do I play it? No.
Victory. Your ammo reserves
Like, have you played it though at all?
No.
Be proud, Spartan.
This BR is so strong. Like, you don't think it's gonna kill, and it just leaves them dead.
One of ours is capturing the zone. An ally has captured a zone.
I was hoping that would hit. Where'd the other guy go? There he is.
A successful volley.
Oh, there's a oh.
An ally has captured a zone.
Jesus Christ! That's what you get! Ooh. Wait a minute, boy.
Claiming a zone. Crack. Another one down.
Oh, this looks kind of cool.
Oh,
Oh, this looks interesting. Oh,
I thought this thing was a two-hit.
One of ours is capturing the zone. They won't give it up without a fight. Reload fire.
In like the recent updates. Yo! Why am I getting jumped? What's up?
Double kill. We've captured Charlie. We've captured Alpha. The enemy has captured Charlie. Ammo reserves.
You're a doodle.
Spike obtained.
Ha ha. Ah.
Your team scored. Let's see them.
You need to have a sniper on this map.
What a reliable weapon. Double kill. Cinder shot inbound.
Oh, here's a sniper. How about? This doesn't work well.
Cinder shot available.
Or no.
The enemy has captured. The enemy has captured Alpha. Enemy team scored. Killings. Stronghold Charlie lost. Enemy team scored.
Yeah, man, almost killed this, so.
Your team scored.
Victory. That was a good game, man. We turned it around.
It's like active camo.
You said what's active camo? Makes you invisible.
Like invisible as in like they can't see me, or invisible as in like they can't see me on the map. Gotta kill this kid. This thing's not even that good. Thanks for the free weapon, by the way.
Seconds remaining.
Say what's up to Doobie in the comment section on YouTube. Hey, anybody else want to say hi to YouTube? Drop a cheer. Everybody can see it. Come on. All right. Anyways, the Xlite Superglide. Basically, these mouse feet turn everything into a SkyPad. Basically, yeah, it turns everything into a SkyPad. So, like, from me using the Shroud Edition mouse on a SkyPad, and then going to the Superglide, this is so smooth. It's ridiculous. Like, you are the stopping power with this mouse. So be prepared to do some work if you want to really control this mouse. If you don't have the best control, then I say go with the regular Xlite wireless with the PTFE feet. But I already know as soon as I put this thing at 0 gravity, I'm gonna lose all sense of control because 0 gravity is faster than like these regular desk pads and stuff. I mean, like, as far as QC, I mean, the Xlite is really good. I have no complaints. Squeezing it, nothing. It's absolutely sturdy. Hey, what's up, Real Sick? Appreciate you with the host. Pulsar Xlite Wireless Superglide. What a name. What a freaking name. It's great. The mouse is good. Can't complain. I don't know what the price on this one is gonna be. If it's like $100, maybe 120, I think it's a fair price. And if they offer it in these dope colors, like they've been giving away like all these crazy colors recently, if they do the same thing around that price, I'm 100% cool with it. They really should. Let's start pulling Logitechs and coming out with more colors for mice. Pulsar is leading the charge. Drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one, but I'm gonna finish the stream. If you guys haven't already followed me on Twitch, go ahead and drop me a follow. Twitch.tv/TechKyle. You already know. Handle's the same across everything except the channel. Too much tech. The Superglide is gonna drop next month though. It should be. I want to say it's middle of December is when the Superglide is dropping.